Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you know that feeling when you post something on Instagram and then later you're like, yeah, I don't really want that up there anymore. Well, what if I told you that you don't have to delete it? Today, I'm showing you how to hide your Instagram posts without losing them forever. Let's jump in. Okay, so the easiest way to hide a post is by using Instagram's archive feature. This is my favorite method because your post is still saved, it's just hidden from your profile. Here's how you do it. First, go to your profile and find the post you want to hide. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. You'll see a menu pop up, and right there you should see Archive. Just tap it, and boom, the post disappears from your profile. But here's the cool part. Your post isn't gone. It's saved in your archive folder. To find it later, go back to your profile, tap the three lines menu, and select Archive. All your archived posts are sitting right there. You can always unarchive them anytime if you change your mind. And here's something most people don't know. Your followers have no idea your post was archived. For them, it just vanishes from your profile naturally. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!